Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Today we are going to start the next topic of grammar: invitation, formal or informal. Clear? We know very well, beta, what is the meaning of invitation. When someone invites us for an occasion and for any function, we can say it would be an invitation from that side, from that person. It may be written or verbal. Written, he can send us formal way, invitation in a formal way. Verbally, he can invite us verbally. Yes, for example, would be you are coming at my birthday, or telephonically. He also invite us. Clear? Formal invitations are beta formal and polite, pleasant and courtesy. Clear? Informal invitation, it takes the shape and form of personal letters. We often get beta from our relatives. They send us invitation in the form of personal letter. Clear? We use these to invite our friends and relatives. We often informal invitations, we often use these for our, if we want to invite our friends and relatives. Invitations are generally printed cards like this. See this card. See this card. Clear? Through which we invite our guests on some occasion like wedding, birthday, inaugurations of a shop, factory, etc. An invitation is a complete information. It answers the questions: who is sending the invitation, to whom we are sending the invitation, when we are going to celebrate the function, and wherever we are going to celebrate, and what time we are going to celebrate this function, occasion, and for what purpose we are going to celebrate. A formal card should use third person. They have to come with their children. Clear? These are the components of the formal invitation. First is occasion. Occasion, it may be birthday, wedding, inauguration of any shop and factory, I have told you. Second is name of the invitee. Invitee means to whom we are going to invite. Clear? Third is name of the host, who is going to invite that person at his home. Next is date, on which date we are going to celebrate, time, at what time we are going to celebrate, and venue, at which place we are going to celebrate this function. After that, name of the chief guest. These are the formal invitation. Name of the chief guest, who is coming at our home, at our function, or special invitees. Clear? These are the, now see this, beta. These are the examples, beta. Formal invitation and informal invitation. See, here is the card I have shown you beta earlier. The card. See, center setting, it must be center setting, in the center. First of Mr. and Mrs. S.S. Aluwalia request the pleasure of the Mr. Sudhir Karan's company at the marriage of their daughter Gurleen to Gurpreet. Wedding card. It is a wedding card. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Kuldeep Malhotra, Jaipur, at the Gurdwara Singh Sabha, Ganganagar, on Sunday, 12th October 2014 at 10 a.m. and afterwards venue where it is going to celebrate at Hotel Park Plaza, Jaipur Road, Ganganagar. Clear? RSVP. These are the, after that, with the best compliments from all relatives and friends. We often see this card, beta. Informal invitation. In this is the, beta, we can say letter. We choose letter writing. Ahluwalia Cottage, Ganganagar, 15th September 2014. This is the date. My dear Sudhir, you will be very glad to know that our Gurleen is getting married on 12th October 2014. Our would-be son-in-law Gurpreet is a computer engineering working for Microsoft in the USA. It happened all of a sudden and we did not have enough time to prepare. How can we ever think of celebrating such an important occasion without you? Your Bhabhi, me and Gurleen are eagerly looking forward to having you with us for the wedding. Do come with the family. Yours, SS Ahluwalia. This is the informal way to invite our friends and relatives. This is the formal invitations. Clear? After that, formal reply. Declining the invitation. When we are not able to go, then we decline. If someone has any work, any prior engagement, so that then he declines the invitation and sends the reply why he is not coming at the function. Same, this is the note format. And Mr. Sudhir Karan's thanks Mr. and Mrs. S. Ahluwalia for their kind invitation to the marriage of their daughter Gurleen on 12th October at 10 a.m. but regrets his inability to attend it due to the prior engagement. He wishes Gurleen a happy married life. This is the declining invitation. Clear? Reply, formal reply. This is also in your syllabus, beta. After that, informal reply, beta. Informal invitation. After that, informal reply. Accepting invitation. Now we accepted. This was the declining. We have accepted. Address. After that, date. Like when we write the letter format as a letter format. I am pleasantly surprised to receive your invitation to Gurleen's wedding. My God, has she grown so big? I still remember her as a tiny doll in a pink frock. How times fly. Well, it is really a big occasion. I will definitely join you to make rose arrangements and to bless her. Yes, I am coming with the whole family. You are Sudhir. Clear? This is the accepting invitation. We are soon we are coming. We are attending the function. This is the format. You have to. If there is any doubt, beta, you can query me. This was the topic. Thanks. Have a nice day.